Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got birds in the soffit. It looks like they've worked their way up and pushed up the J channel here and made a home for themselves. I don't hear any babies in there, and now that they've left for the day, we can get it sealed up. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So it looks like the J channel has been worked up through and pushed into up in the soffit. So if we can pull this out, then we can just reinstall it and it'll be good to go. But this time we're going to secure them to each other so they can't be pushed out again. Make sure we get that little track cleaned out of there. And then just slip the soffit back into the J channel. There we are, that side's looking tight. Make sure it gets inside this lip here of the metal wrap. Now we've got our other piece of J channel right here. And again, we're going to slip that into the track. Alright, that's looking tight. Now what I want to do is, these two are loose. Self-tapping screw. Hold the back, and we're going to try to just thread these guys together. Now we're going to pull this piece forward just to make sure it covers. And sometimes in the tight areas, you're going to need to put the piece together first. I just could not get that in there. Bee. Sound like a big bee. Okay. Put it up in the hole. Phew! Alright, we're clipped in, we're looking good, and these will not pull out again. So we should be able to keep the birds out of there. So that's it. Just a quick put your vinyl soffit back together, keep out the birds, and that little trick where we pinch those J channels in will stop them every time. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.